Hi, I'm Kaylee, and today I'm going to be doing a house tour. Don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you can get a notification every time that I upload a new video. In case you didn't know, Books for MKs is a charity that donates books to missionary kids. If you want to donate to the kids, you can do so at GoFundMe.com. There's a link down in the description, and there's a button at the end of this video where you can donate to the kids. I actually started out wanting to do a library tour, but every single room in the house is part of the library. There is not a single room in my house that does not have books in it. We're just gonna do a library/house tour. So I've lived in my new house for a year and a half now, I guess, and you would think that by now I would finally have things, set up the way I want them and everything's decorated, but I feel like it's just kind of this ongoing project. I will never really be finished decorating, and be finished with everything. But I'd say I'm like 90% decorated and furniture is where I want it and things like that. So I'm just gonna take you around and show you each room in my house. The only rooms that don't have books are the bathroom and, no, that's it, because even the kitchen has cookbooks. So yeah, just the bathroom is the only place that there are no books. For coming along in my library house tour. I remember when I was a kid, I would think, someday when I grow up, I'm gonna just live in a big library, and I kind of do. Please leave me a comment down below and let me know, how do you organize things in your house? Are there just books in every single room of the house? Or do you just keep books kind of in your space and then your family, is elsewhere? How do you organize things at your house? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and remember, the right book in the right hands at the right time can change the world.